Welcome to Kalon Park, and we're here with Ate Chimis. Yeah, matataas yung buildings. Yeah, so ito yung entrance going there. Inside. Like, so ayun, yung maraming kinain si Ate Chimix, so pinalakad ko siya ng matagal. Kaya pagod si Ate Chimix, pagod si Ate Chimix. And naiwan sa Ate Chimix, napagod na siya sa kakalakad. At yung ganda ng flower kasi ano to siya eh. Yan. Fresh po yan. Totoong bulaklak. Yan. Ang ganda niya oh. Yan. Totoo yan siya. Hindi po yan fake. Totoong totoo. Ang ganda niya. Ito flowers. Pupunta kami doon sa looban. Ayan, si Ate Chimix, hiningal na. Naiwan si Ate Chimix. So we're going there to see the birds, but we don't know if there is a bird there. So let's try. Bird siya guys, dito taas. So you can see the birds. And Ate Chimix is coming. Yeah, Ate Chimix, and beautiful flowers. Ate Chimix! And then look at the birds. A bird. Yeah. Doon mas malaki doon. May parrot din doon. Oh, ayan. Look at there. Yun siya yung mga birds. May lovebirds. Look. Over there. Diba? And then meron din dito. Hindi mo siya maso? Click mo siya. Oops! Flying. And then look at this. These the birds, another bird.
town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will
Ang sweet
fly
nila, you know. Ang sweet.
heroes tonight.
And then there's another one over there. Another two is not one. Look. O diba? May partner sila. And then the two, one and another two, magkatampuhan sila. Ayun, ang sweet oh. Ate Chimix, ang sweet nila dalawa oh. Tara ate, baba tayo. Manood tayo ng doon sa baba. Ay, hindi ate, walang daanan dyan. Dito. Diba ako yung tour guide ni ate? Ako yung tour guide na. Dito tayo baba ate. Ganda ng kulay ng puno. It's so pretty. And then this bird, that kind of bird. There's a small park also. Ayan. So, ayan. So we're going down over there to see what's more there. Downstairs, of course. Ang ganda ng puno. Look at the puno, ate. Ate, oh. Ang ganda niya. So if you want to visit here, just easy. Jordan, except sea. Yeah, except sea. And small, ano to siya dito? Smoke fountain, yeah. Small fountain over here. Human-made fountain. So, kung wala kang hilamos, kuha ka lang ng tubig maghilamos sa tip. Here. Siya. And then, meron doon yung yung McDonald's ice cream. Yeah, McDonald's ice cream. And look at this fountain. Yeah. Ang cute, di ba? Ayan siya. Pwede. Ang ganda ng park. Ayan. And then, later, pupunta kami doon kasi may titingnan pa kami. Ayan. So pretty. And then, McDonald's ice cream. Syempre, mainit kaya maraming tao nakapila, guys. Birds is flying over there. Yeah, so, malaking park po ito. Big park. Ayan, after her, dadalhin ko naman si Ate Chimix saan yung magandang view. Ate Chimix, let's go. Tingnan mo yung kung saan kita dadalhin, Ate Chimix. Look, it look like a forest, guys. So, punta kami doon, papasok kami doon. So, yun, Ate Chimix, come. Tingnan mo saan kita dalhin. Look up there, Ate Chimix, oh. So, you can see here. Look, may makikita kayo dyan. Maraming isda dyan, guys. Ayan. Ganda dyan. And then, Ate Chimix, maaamays ka pa dito. Halika, Ate Chimix. Here, I will bring Ate Chimix over there. Yan. So, Ate Chimix, come here. Dito kita dalhin muna. Ayan, baba kami dito. And then, Ate Chimix, come. Over here. And look at over there, guys. What's that? Ate Chimix. Yeah. Look. Oh. Ayan, guys. So, a lot of fish. May mga isda, ayun. May turtle. Turtle yan na nilalangoy yata. It's a turtle. It's a big turtle. Ayan ah. Goldfish. Cellphone mo, mahulog. Ayun. Diba? And Ate Chimix, oh. Look at there. Oh! O, diba? Napawaw kita kung saan kita dinala. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. Lapit tayo doon, banda. Ayan, hi! Ayun, Ate Chimix, oh. Look over there. May pangalan yan siya, eh. Yeah. O, diba? Na-amaze ka. Ayan, guys. guys, the golden fish. Yeah, wild duck, ayun. So, naamay sa Tichimis kung saan ko siya dinala ngayon. Ha, si Ate Chimis, ang ingay na Ate Chimis. So, yun, o, diba? I don't know, and here, the goldfish. Naamay si Ate Chimis kung saan ko siya dinala. O, ganyan guys. Kaya ako ang dalhin nyo sa mga galaan nyo at dadalhin ko sa kayo kung saan kayo saan kayo naaamay. So yan. O diba? Yan o. And then doon, lapit tayo doon mamaya. Ayun. O see? O diba Ate Chimix? Kung hindi dahil sa akin, hindi ka makarating dito. Kaya nawala yung pagod niya Ate Chimix. Nawala yung pagod niya. Yan. O diba? Look at the shadow ate. Yung shadow niya. Ang ganda tingnan. Gusto ko i-capture yung shadow niya. Pretty. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. So yan guys yung goldfishes. Ang daming goldfishes there. Yan. And then turtles. Yeah. The turtles. And then, look at over there. There's a bird. May bird din doon. Yun. Basta over there. Kung nakikita nyo. So yun, nawala yung pagod ni Ate Chimix dahil may nakita siya. Yan. Kitang-kita yung shadow niya. Ang ganda lang tingnan. Ang ganda, diba? Kakaiba yung mga flamingo nila. Ang kulit. Flamengo.